So, among the reasons that I chose this book is that this book has the capability of running a Python interpreter inside the browser as part of the book. So there's two special ways, which they have their active code, which is right over here. You'll see this presented over here when there's code, and this is Python code, right? And all we have to do is just hit save and run, and we ran these two lines of code here, and it says my first program adds two numbers, 2 and 3, print 5. And we can change this to, this is completely editable, not edible, can't eat it. So this program just says hi, and we'll go into more detail about this when we actually talk about how to actually program, but this is one of the nice features, being able to experiment with code, which is great. And as you can see, I ran it and it changed, and also it saves the versions of what you did and when. So this is really, really useful. So here's the original, and there's that. You can share it. Well, I can share code with you guys, and then it has this code lens feature, which is really awesome. Which is all about visualizing the way the code works, as well as showing you what's going on with the code. This is really useful for when you're dealing with a lot of variables and you have to keep track of a lot of stuff and you've got a bug. So this is a very useful tool. And it's a tool that you have access to just by going to, at a point, hitting this edit pen over here, and it gives you basically the scratch pad to run off of, which is fantastic. So this is very useful if you're running off a Chromebook or the like, or for some reason you just need to visualize something, or you just don't want to open up idle and work with it. So these tools are very, very useful, and a big part of the reason why we use this book.